And if I could press that to talk about this, trying to build people against too much, they're going to get closer and build people. Is it selflessness, or is even the purest act tinged with a hidden desire? Perhaps it's the innate satisfaction we feel when contributing to something larger than ourselves. It's a beautiful thought, isn't it? But what happens when that choice isn't yours? When sacrifice is demanded, not offered? Phil Lord and Christopher Miller's adaptation of Andy Weir's novel explores this very question, suggesting that our true character emerges when faced with challenges to our own self-interest. And then the film delivers a remarkable experience. Drew Goddard crafted a script with the scope of classic space operas, yet retains the heart and humor of films like E.T. And planes, trains, and automobiles. It's a rare blend of grand ambition and genuine emotion. Goddard's script expertly captures the joy of scientific discovery. And we're immersed in the meticulous work of research, even as the world faces an impending catastrophe. The sun is fading, threatening global crop failure and widespread extinction, that time is running out. Eva Stratt, representative of the global organization, believes the solution lies in understanding a mysterious alien species siphoning energy from the sun. Dr. Ryland Grace, a middle school science teacher, is unexpectedly thrust into the role of humanity's potential savior. Grace once proposed that extraterrestrial life might not require water, a theory dismissed by the scientific community. Now, his unconventional ideas might be the key to survival. He finds himself aboard a spaceship far from home, with fragmented memories and a daunting mission. The film skillfully interweaves flashbacks with present-day events, revealing Grace's past alongside his current struggles. This approach creates a sense of shared discovery, drawing us into the mystery alongside the protagonist. It's a thrilling and intellectually stimulating journey. There's an optimism woven throughout Project Hail Mary that's been largely absent in recent science fiction. While acknowledging the existential threats facing our planet, the film insists on the power of collaboration, education, and human ingenuity. It's refreshing, inspiring, and deeply moving. Ryan Gosling delivers a career-defining performance as Ryland Grace. His charisma and vulnerability bring the character to life, making us root for him every step of the way. And it's a testament to his talent and the film's strong emotional core. Even without the stunning visuals and immersive sound design, the film's poetry would resonate, you know? And it reminds us of the importance of human connection, the need for purpose, and the willingness to fight for something larger than ourselves. It asks a simple question: are you willing to sacrifice for someone you don't even know? And the answer, of course, is yes. Say space is the final frontier. And I say the final frontier is figuring out how to get Ryan Gosling to teach my science classes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,